Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video. And this time is what is on my eBay watch list. So I currently have about 20 items that I am watching on my eBay list. And so I think I will do 2 different videos and I'll do 10 per video just so each of these videos aren't too long. And I had a lot of interest and support when I uploaded my fashionphile list video, and so I thought that I wanted to continue this series. And so for this video it is going to be part 1 of my eBay watch list. So stay tuned to see what's on there. Alright, so I am back and I have my computer, and you'll see it below, open to my eBay watch list. The first item I have for sale, but this is not me that's selling it. The first item I have on my watch list is this Louis Vuitton monogram extra large luggage tag. So if you've watched my videos in the past, you know that I'm a sucker for luggage tags. And this luggage tag in particular, the extra large luggage tag, I believe it only came with the collaboration between Louis Vuitton and the other designers like Karl Lagerfeld's, and honestly I forget the other, Cindy Sherman was the one. And yeah, this was the collection where each of those designers designed a Louis Vuitton bag. And with the dust bag, Louis Vuitton gave you these large luggage tags. And so I don't have one and I want one. And so here's one that is $399. Oh my God. And so I mean, I doubt I'd be willing to pay that much for it, but I just wanted to watch this just to, remind me that it is one thing that I am looking for. And so, if you have one out there and are willing to sell it for a lot less than $399, let me know. Okay, so let's go back. And the next item on my list is this Louis Vuitton tassel charm. Okay, so I currently already own this item. And the reason why I'm looking for another one is that the one that I currently have is really dirty. And I've tried to clean it with unscented baby wipes, and the color transfer is not coming off. And so yeah, I'm kind of sad by it, but I know it is just a material item, and I thought I could find one in the future. There's this one that's $574, but again, I'm not willing to pay that much for it. And you can only really see it when it's up close, but otherwise, yeah, you can't really see it when you're far away. So this is one item that I am looking at, and hopefully I find one that is a lot cheaper as well. Okay, so next item I have another luggage tag, and this one is from the Louis Vuitton exhibit that was in New York City. The, what is it called? The Vogue Voyage, the VVV. And this is the one where it's hot stamped with the Statue of Liberty on the back side of the tag. And so since I was not able to go to the exhibit, I was not able to get one of these tags. And so the only other way is to basically go to these resale websites to get one. Now this is $279, and it has a make an offer button. And so I don't think it's that bad, because I think these retailed for about $250. So yeah, I'm still thinking about that one. But again, I will live if somebody does decide to buy that one. And so that's why I feel comfortable with sharing with you guys what is on my watch list. Alright, so next up we have this Louis Vuitton Damier Azur credit card wallet pouch. And I thought this was pretty cool because you could put it on your belt, and I mean, you can't really put that much in it. It's just like a little card case, but you could carry it on your belt. And this looks like in pretty good condition. It's from Hawaii, but again, I'm not desperate to get it. I just thought it was a really cool piece. And seeing as though it is in the Damier Azur print, if you're to put it on your belts and you're wearing blue jeans, yeah, I don't know, it'll probably have a lot of color transfer, so I'm kind of weary about this one, but I just thought it was a cool piece. Alright, next up I am a sucker for vintage Chanel jumbos. I currently have 1, 2, 3 in my collection. I have one that I am currently selling, and I hope to ship that off to its new mama pretty soon as she pays off the remaining balance on it. So it is on a payment plan. But this one is in beige, and the ones that I currently have are in black. And so it'd be really nice to find a red caviar version of a vintage jumbo. But this one is in excellent condition. Oh my gosh, look at the shine on that gold. Let me see. These pictures are, it comes with everything pretty much. The box, the authenticity card, the care booklet. The only thing that worries me about this item is that it is in lambskin. And I already have a lambskin bag, and it is very delicate. I mean, a lot of people say, you know, don't worry about lambskin, you know, it's durable, but through experience, I guess I'm rough on my bags, but lambskin is very delicate, and I just get paranoid whenever I carry that bag around. And this price is $3,499. I don't think that's a bad price for this bag. But somebody please buy it so I'm not tempted. Alright, so the next item on my list is this doo-doo teddy bear from Louis Vuitton. And this is in new condition, and the price is actually not bad. It's $740. I think that's very close to retail price on this item. I know a few people in my Instagram feed have this bear, but it's just a hard thing to swallow as far as paying that much for something that's just gonna you know, stay in your closet and, you know, be decoration. So yeah, that's a hard one for me to justify buying. And I think this is probably the cheapest that I have seen it. And again, please, if you are interested in this bear, buy it, so I am not tempted. Okay, so next up I have, and so if you saw my fashionphile video, I have a Birkin on there, and it is in orange, and it is in 35 centimeter, I believe. And here I sort of reference the one that I have on my eBay watch list, and this is it. It is a Hermes So Black Birkin, 35 centimeter. And I believe the leather is box calf. And look how amazing this bag looks. Oh my god. But oh my god, it is close to $40,000. I mean, there's no way that I'm going to spend that much on this bag or on a bag. I just have this on here for eye candy. But yeah, if you're interested and have the money, here you go. But yeah, this is such a pretty bag. Oh my goodness. It's amazing, but it's just ridiculous how much they're asking for. Okay, next up on my list, I have... This is a Chanel wallet pouch in red chevron caviar leather. And that's what it looks like. The only thing I worry about this one in particular is that the seller only has one feedback. And that's the main thing that prevents me from getting it. It looks authentic to me. I mean, they have the authenticity card there. And I know this piece retails currently for $750. And so the make offer button is very tempting. But again, the seller has one feedback, and I don't think I would really trust it. I know eBay, and if you were to pay with PayPal, they would protect you, but I don't want to have all that drama if it is fake. Okay, so next up, I have... Ooh. So here is a Louis Vuitton, and this is limited to Japan. I honestly don't know if this bag is real because I have seen it before, but only on the runway, and I have been told that it did not make it to production. But this messenger, it's also called a bum bag, is in that silver monogram that I love so much. But yeah, and it is $4,300. And I think the retail on the other bags in the same design are like just a little bit above $2,000. So this is basically a price increase of almost double the retail value. So yeah, ooh, and look, that is sort of suspicious. That that piece of leather there. But yeah, I just thought it was a really cool thing that I found. I didn't know it was being made, but maybe it is. And so if you could tell me that this is authentic, I will go on a hunt to find a much, much, much cheaper one. Alright, I think I have one more before I call it quits for this video. And so I saw on Instagram, I think it's a very similar bag, but I think the bag that I saw had the larger CCs. This is a backpack in the classic vintage jumbo style. But look, it has, you know, straps. And I thought it was really cool, but this one is in really rough shape. And I just put it on here again just to remind me that this is something that I was interested in eventually. It has the authenticity card, the box, and the care booklet, which is really nice. And $3,895. I think that's pretty reasonable. So this is being sold by fashionphile, which I know is, or I've heard is reputable. And so, yeah, it's just something I'm looking for. I prefer the one with the large CC, so my search will go on. And so that does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, stay tuned for part 2 of this video, and I'll show you the other 10 pieces that I am currently watching in my eBay watch list. Alright, until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.